Who owns the crown? Angamotera.
Challenger? Wa akiyo kong wadira kiyo. Ugeno eni tutwal? Nyinga.
Ya Oscar.
We mene angami ngekin joy ni.
PATOLOVER boy River Nile crocodile ya man.
We mene pa PATOLOVER boy.
We upo.
Okay? Imbe cho megi kan. Okay, wachiri we kuipo.
We upo iniano mawarwate lumi tamu berupe. We upo tamano rwate chipingoy mieto bale. So we upo tamano rwate pingoy tikanywane. Yeah man, big up on yourself, big up to the student in the army, big up to
Yo man. All right, so for my tag. Na. EDDY WIZZY music, PATOLOVER boy. Ama moti nini? Afoyo de. Kanyi wajunga. Kanti mabe. Bela kanti atu interview nani. Bro bine bet kan. Madar ti nyera. Nyinga.
Yeah, Mary.
Mary anga. Mary Acholi. Mary Acholi kindu wena nga minge mabe. Nge PATOLOVER boy. Wena mena minge.
Mala we kumi upanga.
Adawa. Now luwe eni twinchel watiki EDDY WIZZY. Gen ki PATOLOVER boy. Ajon ko biberi ki pia minindwa bero biberi ya Acholi in. Kiting boy tamuni pato gen ki EDDY WIZZY anga ama romutingu gini. PATOLOVER boy eh? Wachi wene mo bene minge pere? Tana miru mini ticket.
Wene.
Mo kiken.
Wene mo no tieme na mano no kiwani. Kani nene. PATOLOVER boy lava. I wish you could see how.
Nisai oh na. Ana miru bero kedi. Oh. Afoya matek. Inindwa biru binu arwate ya Acholi in. Let me start with you. How are you, brother?
I'm good, thank you.
Your names?
I'm George.
George.
I'm good, how are you?
I'm fine. Your names?
Johnson.
Mine is called Brian Steven.
Yeah, now we have battle of the champions between PATOLOVER boy and EDDY WIZZY. Do you know these musicians? Very well. Very good. I'm talking to the right person, the right people in the right place. So now, between these guys, who owns the crown? Between PATOLOVER boy and EDDY WIZZY? To you? Yes, to you. Yes.
Personally, EDDY WIZZY.
EDDY WIZZY. Why do you think EDDY WIZZY?
I love the way he sings and the way he plays, like everything about him.
Wow. Now, on the 7th, at Acholi in, you are going to judge this game. There's not going to be any judge apart from you. It's the fans to judge. Only 20k to enter. See you there. All right. Yeka don kong isalun kamani nduya yuye. Chawa yo magaro. Wero pa again. All right. Omega no tinini. For bateg. Yes. Nying saluni gilwoni.
Be Real Classic Barber Shop.
Be Real Classic Barber Shop. Maybe what it teach we are pedaro about teach tutorial. Nge watiki competition matika bino kin PATOLOVER boy gin ki EDDY WIZZY. Magilwoni battle for the champions. Ikibore tamuni EDDY WIZZY again ki PATOLOVER boy anga maromu tingo gini pien watiki Arsenal kimaniu. Nge telematiki Johnny. Jomon kauti kobe jomon kuru season 1 jamine beru kamanu. Itamuni EDDY WIZZY gin ki PATOLOVER boy anga maromu tingo crown neni.
Kitung bara no we oni PM kratam ka no chikani ki ket gere o live mangin go PM la wa chel EDDY WIZZY PATOLOVER boy.
Okay.
Lover boy can win.
Afoy matek. Warwate Acholi in Indwe Abero.
Who owns the crown?
Acholi in Indwe Abero. Warwate Acholi in Indwe Abero bin kunu no PATOLOVER boy tie kunu ki EDDY WIZZY kidano mapapat. Saloon gilwani?
Be Real Classic Barber Shop.
Be Real Classic Barber Shop. Umera tiningo.
Atima be.
Afo mate.
Be the twat.
Ngomira mu wacho ne bodwak matika neno wa chawaman.
By the way, anamira waj mere madlobe ke PM pa divize ke PATOLOVER boy ni.
Yes.
Music ron be pare ke neno mod kira jono chako kere. PATOLOVER chako lama chako chon. Divize da ko bien ko ere.
Okay.
And kita divize bien ko ere bo bien matek. PATOLOVER boy fute ka chilne matek. So margen wang mere.
So any bit kuno I actually in avoid my take. Yes, John Wengo wacho go berity I actually in Indua Bero been aye wachiro we panga to mo ken minge kin jari oni
we palava boy
mamene ni
Igangwa chente gerpe ento amiro beru kwiri anyanga weka uchikong mati chwinya adek donki loke iya rubambi fura juya nini eto chunya donki lworo pelworo berke ken ento benamini lworo no dano dong adek lewi batin dong tin ino akena wek lworo han pati kamuni fura hanamiro wachingo mati chwinya an pamarangona anachama yengi nino pere anino pingru
afo mate customers modbot customers weng afo mate it was really wonderful and ameru wachini kama watika wore watika nodano magiken e PATOLOVER boy genki Eddie Wizzy ka what of course banning center achel wangeni music kama ti ye kumalume Uganda kemiro nongo music moken wangechero e banning center John ginge we maduong chi ameta lokon kila diti ko wachi wakon la diti nini
team be
afo mate nyinga
ino pio
ino Yes, and now what yeki ayubatika waranyim bato kin PATOLOVER boy ginki Eddie Wizzy. Kitung bori ineno ni anga maromu tingu gine gine beruchal Arsenal kati to ginki Man U. Initila Arsenal ka itila Man U.
Arsenal bachan.
Ano la Arsenal kael. Now ameti wacha na ikin PATOLOVER boy ginki Eddie Wizzy. Itamuni anga maromu tingu gine.
Actually Eddie Wizzy boy we ma touching chindano fola.
Okay.
But PATOLOVER don't way Romulo ne.
Pato don't way. Eddie get a go away maguru chwindano. So kitung bori tamuni John Romo ngono ikobo ni agario.
Iko pengono bachan ni.
Manyito wangara chelo chorkere.
Archen mer chere.
Era ase no nyogin.
Betie.
So kitung bori tamuni angamo bichere gini.
Pato.
Now, ingeo gini fans you being all hey, warwate inindwa bero I actually in. La diriti nini?
Chombe,
afo madangi?
Nya Rotek Peter.
Now, ngomira mu wachune ikinjo ario in PATOLOVER boy ginki Eddie Wizzy. Itamna ngama romo tingo gini.
Ena mio straight ki Eddie Wizzy.
Pingo iwajo kamanu.
Mi achel amaro en tidano ma pe ki le pe yaro dano. Where we mi phone.
Okay.
Yes.
Itiki wene mo menge achel. We mo pa Eddie Wizzy menge.
Yeah.
We mene.
Maka
we mene mi winyi madu wero gudu chunyi dong loyo.
Ka tia wo.
Who owns the crown?
Big one mole.